Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Accord Build. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe and do give us a thumbs up if you like this video. So, let's go. So most of the people were asking me to vlog in English so that they can also watch, and I'm actually not pretty much comfortable in vlogging with English as language because I tend to make mistakes, so that's why. But trust me, I'm trying to get better at this. And so we have new parts for Accord.
Oh my god! Wow!
This box over here is actually an exhaust system, actually given to me as a gift by my friend. And most of you guys might know him. I have his videos. He's actually the owner of Type 2 City Build, which is right now going on. And if you guys haven't watched that video, please go watch it. So let's open up. Vlogging in my room, and please do ignore if you guys see something that is not supposed to be seen. And let's get started. So I have scissors here. Yeah, so I have scissors here and the box here. Right now I'm going to show you guys what I am seeing in this box. So it's basically like this. I just keep this down. So actually I thought I'll keep the box down so that it's more convenient. And here it is. This is actually a Ramus Valvetronic exhaust for my Accord. And the reason why I chose Valvetronic is because I know this is not what most of you guys want. It's just like the raw exhaust, that's what everyone likes, even me, trust me. But the good thing about the Valvetronics are we'll be able to make our car silent, and especially I live in a city and I don't want cops to pull me over.
FBI, open up!
Yeah, that's right. So this is it. Let's see what's in it. We have a module here. This is actually the module which controls that valve opening and closing, I guess. And yeah, you can see some pipings or tubings, whatever you call. And then this side, I think that's actually for the power source for the module. And we have a tube. I don't know. I actually don't know how to set up this thing. And here it is, the muffler. So I took the muffler or the Valvetronic exhaust. This thing is really heavy. It actually weighs around 8 kg, I guess. Everything. And I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, you guys can. So the one on this side is a valve, which is supposed to be like this right now. So wait, I'm supposed to have keys.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yeah, so when I press the button, the valve opens and I'll be having exhaust gases going through both these pipes, and it's going to make the car super loud, I guess. So that's the point. And if you guys can see it in the camera, it actually says made in Austria. Yeah. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked it, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and also comment